All right, so what's going on? In this video, I want to talk about multiple income funnel alternative. If you're looking for an alternative to multiple income funnel, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you how you can set up your own affiliate marketing system using System Hubs. Now, System Hub is a system that George Wickens put together in order for people to build their email list and to set up for their team to use, even if you're in network marketing such as Live Good or Got Backup or something like that. You can use this for your network marketing business. If you're a coach, if you are, creator, create your own products, whatever the case may be. Even if you are an affiliate marketer for products such as Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, whatever, HBA, such as I am with the Home Business Academy, you can use it for any system. And I'm going to show you that right now in this video. I'm going to walk you through the actual HQ back office. I'm going to show you a hub that I'm working on right now, an affiliate system that I'm working on for myself. And I'm going to show you a couple of other things that are going to help you, make a decision if this is right for you or not. So if you're looking for a multiple income funnel alternative, then this is for you. So let's go ahead on and get rocking right now. Cool. So here we are in the back office of System Hubs. HQ headquarters. This is where you're going to be. You're going to see a page like this should you decide to sign up for System Hub. You can get a 14-day free trial by clicking the link in the description. You can see a case study, and you can also see a webinar that George created, that's going to show you how this works. Now, this is the actual dashboard. A little banner pops up here. Okay, you can click here to get started now with your own System Hub. We're going to just go ahead on and exit out of there. You see my little image up in the top. I have 0 credits here and 0 funnel credit. Now, system credits are the amount of hubs that you can build inside of the system. Funnel credits is built inside of Go High Level, which they give you a free account that you can get access to. And I'm going to show you that as well. So just some quick links. You can build your System Hub or build a marketing hub. System Hub is right here inside of System Hubs itself. Building a marketing hub is inside of Go High Level. You're going to get access to that. So you want to watch this video. So if I click on system, these are the systems that I have set up. Easy residual income system and my $25 funnel system. This one is going to come out, but this is one I'm practicing with right now in order to set up my easy residual income system, that's what I'm calling it. And short ERIS is going to be short for it. So I'm setting this up, and I'm going to take you inside of the admin and dashboard area of the $25 funnel system. So with the marketing hub, you're going to have, this is inside of Go High Level. So if I can click log in here. It's going to take me to it. Let me see if we're going to block that. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to send the security code and let me go check my email. All right, I've grabbed the code. I'm going to paste it in right there. I'm going to click confirm. Then it's going to log me to the back office of Go High Levels, or System Hub's Go High Level account. This is totally free. Okay, this is free for you when you join System Hub. You better do conversations. I'm not going to go through all of this right here, but you just get an access. This is your launch pad, dashboard, conversation, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, marketing system, automation, sites, membership, reputation, reporting, app marketplace. And you can get the mobile app downloaded to your phone so you can keep up with your leads inside of your system as well. So, as you see, I'm using right now is Easy Residual Income System. Down here at the bottom, let me see if I can get to it right quick. We see settings. Here you're going to see your settings, all of your profile, company building, and all of that stuff is going to be there. So this is one of the things that you're going to get. You're going to get a free Go High Level account through System Hub, completely free. So you don't have to worry about any out of money pocket for another funnel builder. You're going to get to use this because it has every tool that you need in order to be successful in your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so let's come back. I'm going to move this over here. Going to come back to HQ. You're going to have training in here as well. All of the training that you need in order to get your system up and going is right here in this area. You can get done with you coaching, okay, from George himself. Get Chat GPT in here, and you can get ideas in here. Ideas is something that, you know, if you're having an idea, you can come in here and request a feature inside of here as well. So they want you to give feedback on the system and what they can add, you know, to make it more easier in order for you to navigate the system and use the system. So if we come back over here, let me go. I think I closed out the wrong one. Hold on 1 minute. All right, so here we are back in the system. Then you have your settings over here where you can add all your information here, team settings and things of that nature right there, add team members, and of course your billing. So now let's go ahead and look at one of my system, and the one we're going to look at is one that I'm actually setting up right now. We're going through a 3-day training where George is taking us by the hand, helping us set up our entire system, and on the 3rd day we're going to start sending traffic to this system. But I'm getting a head start, you know, with getting you all prepped up to check this out for yourself, because you're able to set up your own system now. Once you come in here, this is the fast track. Let's look at this here. This is the fast track. This is what we are actually going through right now with George himself, okay? And he's walking us step by step in order how to set everything up seamlessly. And so when we start running traffic to this, hopefully it's going to work out in our favor. So he's doing this based on his knowledge. And if you know George, he loves setting up system. He used to have a super funnel hero system built around ClickFunnels, okay, that he made thousands and thousands of dollars with using that system. So with that, we're going to have you got the welcome, fast track, access your system hubs, you know, access to Zoom training. This is what we're on right now. Live recording, the one we had today, is going to be uploaded here. You get a free t-shirt. Mine is on the way. And System Builder Secrets is something he's going to set up in here soon. So let's go back over here. And I'm going to click on my dashboard for my $25 system. Okay. And this is what I'm setting up. Okay. I'm going to have a welcome. This is the welcome. Okay. They're going to connect to the system here. They're going to be able to put in their affiliate ID. Okay, or their system ID. Then they're going to be able to put in over here whatever affiliate links that you have here for yours. I have the all-in-one business. Get your affiliate link. They plug in their affiliate ID, and now they are set. Then we have done for you traffic. The traffic source that I have for them is going to be set up here and things of that nature. So they're going to be able to use that as well for that. Okay, special offers. This is where you can set up special offers in your back office, whatever you want to put in here. It may be another affiliate program that you are affiliated with. You can do that. You can put other traffic sources in here, such as I have right here. You're going to be able to do that when someone clicks on, you know, just one of these system exclusive traffic. Boom, it's going to take them to that traffic source. So it's just another way for them to get more traffic to their system. They'll be able to see your referrals in here. You'll be able to see your funnels in here. I have to set up my funnels training that you have that's going to help them succeed with your system. Then you can have resources. You can have a leaderboard, AI generator, and things of that nature, Chat GPT. Okay. And then settings down here. You're going to have integrations where you can integrate different autoresponders. I use GetResponse. You can use Aweber, Active Campaign, Mailing Boss. Some of these they're still working on, but they're going to get them in here sooner or later. And then you're going to have like an affiliate manager where people would put in their specific affiliate IDs and save it. And then of course support over here. You can reach out, you know, to them as well for that. Okay, so you've seen how I have my system set up. Just people going to come here. I'm going to put some videos in here. Going to go to the next step. Okay, enter their ID. Next step, going to come here, get their links, sign up for the business opportunity or affiliate marketing business, network marketing business, whatever it is that you put in here. And then they're going to click next step and get done for you traffic. So this is going to be my system. And what I have right here, this particular program pays out residual income on 3 different products, and it has high ticket in there as well. So if someone comes in here and they get the $25 opportunity, then they have the opportunity to get the other products as well, where I don't have to do any selling and telling. And that's the beauty of this system right here. When you set up a system for your team network marketing or affiliate marketing or your own affiliate marketing product, you have a system that people can just tap into and get up and running and going quickly as possible. Okay, so that's the beauty of doing this. This is, once again, this is the fast track here. This is the fast track. And then this is one of the System Hub. This is the actual affiliate program, okay, of System Hub. And so as you see how George has his system set up, welcome, connect to the system, okay, put in their ID, next step, done for you traffic. It's as simple as doing that right there and having your system set up. You're going to be able to see your referrals for the affiliate program. You're going to be able to see different funnels that he has set up. Both of these funnels, you can click the link in the description to see these funnels. Go ahead and get your account, get your 14-day free trial, okay, anyway, and get your system set up. And if you want to get in the fast track, you will be offered that as well, where you can get in the fast track where George does training Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesday. Plus those trainings will be in the fast track back office as well. Then you're going to have resources, okay. Here, he actually have mail. You can put your emails in this back office, okay, for people to get access to webinar emails and your main email swipe. Watch this video. It tells you how to get them. The AI generator, okay, you can have access to this, okay. Facebook, want to create a Facebook post, you simply click that, put in your information here and click generate. It generates it for you. You can see your history over here and all of that. Once again, Chat GPT. Now, there's some other things George will be doing with the system, but right now, as I said, we're going through a training, okay? We're going through an actual training with George called the System Hub's Fast Track. Within 3 days, this system should be up and going the way we want it to go, running smoothly. We're going to test everything out. George is working with us one-on-one on a Zoom, helping us get this up and doing. So if you want to set up your own affiliate system, just go ahead right now, click the link in the description and come to, you're going to see a page. A page is going to pop up. Okay, let me find that page. And this is one of the pages. Brand new case study reveals how you can get paid to build your email list whilst being paid $5,236.44 without hardly lifting a finger. Okay, so just put in your email here. Click the send information button. It's going to take you to where you want to go. Don't put in fake emails. Now, I know we all do it at times, but trust me, I'm really going to send you awesome secrets to your email that will potentially get you more leads and sales. Then the commission GPS, okay? Follow my commission GPS straight to your first 2, 3, or 4-figure commission without making any grave mistake. You can read this page right here for yourself. Check it out. I am using System Hubs myself, so you can get yourself a 14-day free trial by going to this page or this page. Both links are in the description below, so go ahead on right now so you can start setting up your system, just like this. You're able to put in your logo, all of that information right there. If I come back over here, let me see if I can find it right quick. System, I can go to my system over here. I can come and go to admin dashboard. And this is going to be your admin dashboard. This is where you can see all your users, your members, your leads, your call to action steps, your affiliate providers, traffic providers, resources, promotional banner, landing pages. We're going to be working on that tomorrow. Training courses. You can do redirect links in here, log in, register templates, support tickets, customer support ticket, logistics, app configuration, Airtable, custom script, and a whole lot more. Some of this stuff you probably won't even use, but once I go through this training, I'll be able to come back and give you more in-depth detail on how you can use it. So for right now, just go to this page or either this page by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and get your 14-day free trial with System Hub. And if you really like it, I highly suggest that you go ahead and take the fast track training, okay? System Hub's fast track so you can get your system up and going with the help of George himself. So go ahead, click one of the links in the description to get signed up. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Share this video with someone you know who might need it. Also, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Like it, love it. Got any questions? Leave me a comment below. And if I can do anything to help you, please let me know. I will see you on the inside of System Hub so you can start building your own affiliate marketing system. This is your multiple income funnel alternative. So go ahead, click the links in the description, get started right now. I'll see you on this inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.